Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set and change alarms on the iPhone 14 series. First, swipe up at the bottom to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe across until you go to App Library and then tap on Clock. You can also find the clock in the Utilities folder. So tap on the Utilities folders and tap on Clock. In here, if you haven't set up an alarm clock before, you can tap on the Setup button or you can tap on the Add button. So if there is no alarm, tap on Setup. When you first set up the alarm, it says sleep is now in health. Once you have set up your new sleep schedule, you can change your alarm in clock. So we're just going to cancel this one for now, and we go ahead and tap on Add. In here, you can set the time. So you want to set an alarm clock for 7 a.m. in the morning. So select 7 a.m. You can choose to have it repeat or not. So you can have it repeat, say, from Monday to Friday. So we select from Monday to Friday. We'll have the alarm off on Sunday and Saturday. Now tap on the back key and you can say what type of alarm this is. So maybe this is a work alarm, so work. So we give a label work, and you can choose which sound we will use for this alarm. The default is radar. Okay, so now select a sound for the alarm, and then you can choose whether to snooze or don't snooze for this alarm. After that, tap on the Save button to save the changes. Alright, once it has been added, you can easily switch it off or switch it on. So let's say if one of your work day you are sick and you do not want to wake up the next day, you can simply just switch off the alarm instead of deleting it, and when you go back to work you can turn on the alarm again. Okay, so that is how you can basically set up an alarm. When you want to edit the alarm, you can tap on the alarm, and then in here you can change it. So let's say if you want to change it to 6:30, you can go down and then change the minutes to 30. So now we are waking up at 6:30 a.m. And again, you can choose to repeat for the days. Change the label, change the sound, change the snooze, or you can even delete the alarm. After that, you can just tap on Saved, and that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.